This is my preferred floor cleaner, and I've put in some, I think 3 different disinfectant, springtime and bouquet, and I think I did put this one in, apple orchard. And I've just got my candle on I bought the other day. It's called Martini. I'm cleaning the floor right now, and I'm doing it on my hands on knees. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this phone now. I'll try and do the floor on my knees at least once a fortnight. Otherwise it down here doesn't get as clean, especially through the gaps, because my kitchen is not integrated as such. As you can see, the kickboards are falling off. So in between here, and also when you come down here, you can see the cupboards underneath, you know, right down here. Because the mop doesn't do it as well as it should. No way, Jose. So once a fortnight, if you can do it once a week, even better. I'm going to move this and clean it, and I'll show you how dirty it is in there. Yeah, and the dryer. I've been moving all my appliances. Okay. One of the most important thing about doing a weekly wash and keeping your washing machine clean is cleaning in between the rubber and in here. I mean, I try and do it as often as I can, and what I do is I use so you can see the dirt, I use a white, yeah, I've been cleaning it, so you clean around here and in here. I'm trying to hold up the phone while I do this. In here, very important. It gets very dirty in between here, up the top. Yeah, just move it and clean it. Let's see where I'm going to rest the phone. Hold on. I'm not sure. Will you stay here? It's not working. It's not working. Hold on. Oh, found a good place. So what I would do is move this and clean like this. I'm gonna just show you and get a white tissue how dirty it can get, because that cloth, I've used it before. Look how dirty it is in here. So if you can do it after every wash, that would be great, but if not, look how dirty that is. I haven't done it for a while, maybe as much as a month. You need to clean around here. It is filthy. So I'm going to carry on doing that with my cloth. Yeah, very dirty. Some people might think what they don't see doesn't matter, but it's going onto your clothes. And it's important also to clean the door. I'm going to get a new, and if I've got any more white cloth in here.
No more white cloth. Actually, I'm going to use all my green ones. I'm going to speed this up. Where's my green cloth?
So I've done some more cleaning with this green cloth, and I think I've done enough. There's a little bit more, not much, there's that more I got from there. And what I'm going to do now is just put some zoflora disinfectant. I've chosen this bottle. It's Lavender Escape, and I'm just going to go around the area just so it smells nice. And here, my machine is old. It's
double figures. It's probably about 15 years or more. So it is a bit rusty, but it still works. And I have it serviced. I pay a prescription for my appliances. So I've had this changed, the rubber's been changed at least once, maybe twice. Yeah, so that's good now.
clean now, all clean now. I'm doing a black wash. Got one brine here. It's half a load. Yep, that goes in, as we all know. I've just come down to make myself a cup of lemon tea, and I started cleaning my washing machine because, I don't know, it came into my mind I must clean. I thought, let me record it. I've taken out the detergent thing, and you can see in there it's filthy. And yeah, this came out of it. To clean that as well. That is for bring your clothes and you get, is it 50p a kilo or something, 40p? I need to organise that. And in here as well, I normally do in here regularly, this bit, rubber bit. I mean, my washing machine and in here, normally full of, look, full of grime. Yeah. When we say our clothes is clean, I'm going to have to throw this cloth away. It was my, you know, kitchen. Yeah, I mean, my washing machine is old, as you can see. The metal is peeling off. It's just looking really old. I think it's about, it must be 12 years plus, this washing machine. It's had many parts. This is new. The drum has been changed. That is a second one. What else has been changed? And just been repaired because I've got the domestic and general insurance. They just come and repair. They very rarely exchange, give you a new one. That doesn't happen. So I think I may have to yeah, think about upgrading because it's just old now. You know, it's done very well. Nothing wrong with being old. It's done very well, but sometimes you just have to yeah, you can see where it's, what's this, water damage. It's just, yeah, so that's what I'm doing this morning. I don't know how many people do. I need to go right in there and do a little bit more. I've got a brush I'm going to use for in there. I think the brush is here somewhere, isn't it? Yeah, this is, can't clean this. Doesn't seem to want to get clean, so that's going to be going in there.